Hello guys, in this tutorial we'll discuss how we can set up a backup schedule using Backupbuddy plugin. So let's go. So this is our Backupbuddy plugin we already installed, and now we will set up the schedule. Okay, so every month, every day, or every week it will automatically take a backup. So how we can set up schedule? So once you go to the backup, just you can see the option for schedules. Okay, so just click on here. So once you click on here, you can see the option for schedule and add schedule. So click on add schedule, and now we can see these options over there. We can type out a schedule name for monthly or something, day or weekly basis as per your need. Okay, so before completely you can choose a complete full backup, database only, themes only, plugins only, and media only. So we'll do basically for entire backup, so we'll do complete backup. Okay, and if you would like to set up once yearly, you can add all, or if you like to add once monthly, so you can choose okay, you can see once monthly. Okay, we'll choose this once monthly. Okay, and you can set up the date as well. So I would like to date the end of the month 30. Okay, and you can set the time as well. Okay, like I would like to time something like this. Okay, 10 a.m. suppose. Okay, and then done. That's it. And okay, and also we can add a remote destination. So after automatically backup, it will goes to the remote destination folder. So we will click on these settings, add remote destination. Okay, so you can see we already set up our Dropbox. In our previous tutorial, you can see how we can set up a destination. So I am selecting this one, and it will be this. So delete local backups file after remote send success. Okay, and then enable schedule to run, then save schedule. That's it. Your Backupbuddy schedule is successfully done. That's it. And then you can see every month 13th, yeah, every month of 13th 10 a.m. it will automatically run a backup. That's it. Thank you.